Top 5 must-eat fish. That will flush out toxins and repair your kidneys. Most people know that fish is healthy, but many people do not know that the right fish can also strongly support your kidneys. The problem is, not all fish are equal when it comes to kidney health. Some are high in potassium and phosphorus, which struggling kidneys cannot handle, while others are low in these minerals, high in antioxidants, and packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that directly protect and repair kidney tissue. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 fish that kidney nutrition specialists recommend most for flushing toxins and repairing kidney function naturally. Each one is backed by real clinical research. Stay until the end, because fish number 3 is one that most people with kidney problems are afraid to eat. And I'm going to show you exactly why that fear is based on a misunderstanding. Let us get started. Fish number 1 is one of the most popular fish in the world, and for good reason: tuna. It is affordable, easy to prepare, widely available, and delivers impressive nutritional benefits for kidney health when consumed correctly. Here's exactly what tuna does for your kidneys. Tuna is rich in high-quality protein, and it is one of the leanest protein sources available. For kidney health, the quality and source of protein matters enormously. Lean protein from fish produces significantly less urea waste compared to red meat protein. And less urea in the blood means less filtration burden on your kidneys every single day. Tuna is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3s do something very specific inside kidney tissue. They suppress the production of pro-inflammatory compounds called cytokines, which are directly responsible for the chronic inflammation that damages kidney filtration membranes over time. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that regular omega-3 fatty acid intake from fish was directly associated with reduced inflammatory markers in kidney tissue and slower progression of kidney function decline in adults with early to moderate chronic kidney disease. Now here is the critical distinction most people never hear about tuna. Canned tuna in brine, which most people buy, is extremely high in sodium. A single can can contain over 400 milligrams of sodium, which places enormous strain on kidneys that are already working hard to manage mineral balance. Always choose canned tuna in water, not brine, or better still, choose fresh tuna steak when possible. Rinse canned tuna in water before eating, which reduces the sodium content by up to 40%. 3 ounces per meal, 2 to 3 times per week, is a safe and kidney-supportive amount for most adults. Tell me in the comments, do you already eat tuna regularly? And did you know the difference between brine and water-packed tuna? Makes such a big difference for your kidneys. I read every single comment, and I would genuinely love to know. Fish number 2 is one that kidney nutrition specialists consistently place at the top of their recommended food lists: salmon. One of the biggest benefits of salmon is its high level of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the body, and for your kidneys specifically. This anti-inflammatory action is one of the most powerful things you can do through diet alone. Here is what makes salmon uniquely valuable for kidney repair. Salmon contains exceptionally high levels of astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a carotenoid antioxidant, responsible for salmon's deep pink color, and it is one of the most powerful antioxidants found in any food source. Inside your kidney tissue, astaxanthin does something remarkable. It directly neutralizes free radicals inside the glomeruli, the delicate filtration membranes inside your kidneys, protecting them from the oxidative damage that silently accumulates over years and accelerates kidney function decline. A study published in the journal Marine Drugs found that astaxanthin demonstrated significant protective effects against oxidative stress in kidney tissue, reducing cellular damage in kidney filtration membranes, and supporting the natural repair of kidney cells. Salmon is also an excellent source of vitamin D, and research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that vitamin D deficiency is extremely common in adults with chronic kidney disease and is directly linked to accelerated kidney function decline. Eating salmon 2 to 3 times per week provides a natural and bioavailable source of vitamin D that supports kidney health from a direction most people never consider. Before we move to fish number 3, if this video is giving you real value today, please take 2 seconds and subscribe to this channel. We share research-based kidney health information every single week, completely free, for people who want to protect their kidneys naturally. Choose fresh or frozen wild-caught salmon whenever possible. Bake or poach without added salt. Season with fresh lemon, dill, and a drizzle of olive oil. 3 to 4 ounces, 2 to 3 times per week is ideal. Tell me in the comments, are you a salmon lover? And did you know about astaxanthin and what it does for your kidney cells? Drop your answer below. I read every single one. Fish number 3 is the one I mentioned at the very beginning. the one that most people with kidney problems are afraid to eat, and the one where that fear is based on a misunderstanding. Tilapia is a common and affordable fish, and many people with kidney problems wonder if it is safe to eat. The answer is yes, when prepared correctly, and here is exactly why. Tilapia is one of the lowest phosphorus fish available for kidneys that are struggling to filter minerals efficiently. This is critically important. High phosphorus in the blood, caused by kidneys that can no longer remove it effectively, leads to calcium being pulled from bones, depositing in blood vessels, and accelerating kidney deterioration. Tilapia gives you complete high-quality protein, with one of the lowest phosphorus loads of any animal protein source. This makes it one of the safest and most practical fish choices for anyone managing kidney health at any stage. Tilapia is also very low in potassium, very low in sodium when fresh, and very low in fat. This mineral profile makes tilapia one of the most kidney-friendly proteins available anywhere. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition confirmed that tilapia, along with other low-phosphorus whitefish varieties, was among the safest and most recommended protein sources for adults with moderate to advanced chronic kidney disease. Here's the reason most people are afraid of tilapia, and why it is a misunderstanding. Some older nutrition advice suggested avoiding tilapia due to its omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, but for kidney health specifically, the low phosphorus, low potassium, and low sodium profile of fresh tilapia far outweighs any concern about its fatty acid ratio. Always choose fresh tilapia. Never frozen pre-seasoned versions. Bake, cook, and steam, or poach in plain water. Season only with fresh lemon juice and herbs, 3 to 4 ounces, 3 times per week. Did you know tilapia was actually one of the safest fish for kidney health? Has this changed your mind about eating it? Tell me in the comments. I genuinely love reading what you think. And now, fish number 5. This one always surprises people, because shellfish has a mixed reputation when it comes to health. But for kidney health specifically, certain shellfish, prepared correctly, can be genuinely beneficial. The shellfish I am recommending are fresh oysters, fresh clams, and fresh scallops, always fresh, never canned, never smoked, never pre-seasoned. Here is why these shellfish support kidney health. Fresh oysters and clams are exceptionally rich in zinc. Zinc is a trace mineral that plays a critical role in kidney health, specifically in supporting the immune response inside kidney tissue and in the repair of damaged kidney cells. A study published in the journal Biological Trace Element Research found that zinc deficiency, which is extremely common in adults with chronic kidney disease, was directly linked to accelerated kidney function decline and increased oxidative stress in kidney tissue. Oysters and clams also contain vitamin B12, selenium, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds that support kidney cell repair at a level that most land-based proteins cannot match. Fresh scallops are particularly low in phosphorus and potassium, making them one of the most kidney-friendly shellfish options available. Always choose fresh shellfish and steam or poach in plain water, season only with fresh lemon juice. Never butter, never salt, never heavy sauces. 2 to 3 ounces, once to twice per week, is a safe and kidney-supportive amount. Fish number 4 is one of the most consistently recommended fish in kidney nutrition programs across the United States, fresh cod. One of the biggest reasons cod works so well for kidney health is that it is low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus compared to many other types of fish. This triple low mineral profile makes fresh cod one of the most uniquely kidney-friendly proteins available. It delivers complete, high-quality protein without placing significant mineral stress on kidneys that are already working hard to maintain balance. Here's what KOD does inside your kidneys specifically. Cod is rich in B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12 and niacin. These vitamins support the healthy function of kidney tubules, the tiny structures inside your kidneys that reabsorb important nutrients and regulate fluid balance. When kidney tubule function is supported, your kidneys filter more efficiently, and waste removal improves. Cod also contains a specific amino acid profile that produces less urea waste during digestion than red meat or processed protein. Less urea in the bloodstream means your kidneys spend less energy on filtration and have more capacity to focus on repairing damaged tissue. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that regular consumption of lean white fish like cod was associated with improved kidney function markers and reduced oxidative stress in kidney tissue in adults with early to moderate chronic kidney disease. Here is how to prepare fresh cod correctly. Bake or steam fresh cod fillets without added salt. Season with fresh lemon juice, garlic, and fresh parsley. You can also poach cod gently in plain water or a light vegetable broth with no added sodium. Never buy battered cod or any pre-seasoned cod product. These contain large amounts of phosphate additives, sodium, and refined carbohydrates, which completely cancel out every kidney benefit cod provides. 2 to 3 ounces in week is the ideal amount,